In our 3-day workshop, you can expect to take away all the basic tools of design thinking, the whole methodology, all the 6 steps, but also you can expect to get concrete actions of how to overcome inertia, how to overcome resistance to change within your company. And of course, a great network and new insights from other organizations and real challenges that occur in different organizational contexts.
The first 2 days will be all around innovation, design thinking, exploring new methods, new tools and working together. And the last day will be more around transformation, getting a couple of insights around how to deal with reluctance, how to deal with resistance for transformation, but also how to deal with stakeholders in the entire piece of change and transformation.
Design thinking is a very good balance between, on the one hand side, exploring innovation, new opportunity fields, new insights, human perspectives and human needs on the one hand side, but also on the other hand side, trying to find out how to implement those new insights, those new ideas that occur through prototyping, through different implementation cycles and testing, of course.
Why do I love this workshop? Well, first of all, it's one of the workshops that we do with the Hasso Plattner Institute from ESMT, which is great per se to collaborate, cooperate. But on the other side, I love working with the participants in this format. They are all excited, engaged, open for new things, open to explore, to really do things, to do something haptical with us, and to still reflect deeply upon the learnings and how they can implement transformation and design thinking into their own work.